Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Woodruff. Let me ask you, have you been told that you have arthritis, diagnosed by a doctor, or just assume that you have? You know, I find that many times you might think you have arthritis, but you really don't. You have stiff joints, you have lack of motion, and you have pain when you move. Now sometimes that can be caused by improper posture. Well, how do we get into improper posture? It's not a conscious decision. You see, the brain will alter your posture to be able to keep you secure, balanced, leveled, so you don't fall. Remember, the brain always wants you to be stable. And so if you've had an old injury or you've done something in which that now jeopardizes it, the brain's going to make accommodations. It's going to change the posture of your body. Now, most of us think, and wrongly so, that once we've recovered or the problem has resolved, that we'll go back to how it was, or back to normal, if you will. That's false. See, the brain reestablishes a new normal. It says how we are now, with me accommodating to make sure that we're stable, that's our new normal. And see, the older we get, the more accommodations we stack on top of each other. Vibration does amazing things to help increase range of motion and to improve posture. Now, that's not my theory. That is what the research is telling us. The research is coming out. Vibration helps to communicate to the brain. You see, we have nerves that are in our joints and in our muscles that tell the brain where our body is in time and space. If we didn't, the moment we tried to stand on one leg, we'd fall down. Well, those nerves will talk to the brain. And vibration can stimulate those nerves to give the brain a different input. And based on that input, the brain will change posture. And correct posture leads to correct motion. Just because I can lift my arm over my head doesn't mean I'm doing it right. And a lot of times, a true arthritis diagnosis comes from the fact that the joint has worn down because of improper motion. And so what we need to do is we need to correct the posture to improve movement. And we do that ahead of time. We can prevent lifelong medication taking, surgeries, constant chiropractor trips. You see, the more we do now, the better we're going to be down the road. I encourage you to go to my website, nmminnovations.com, where we have lots more information on the exciting world of vibration, posture, and movement.